and welcome to Happy Hungry Hibby. My wife and Harvey are up at the top there. You can see them just at the top. We're just going on a lovely walk today, and yes, we are now in April and there is absolutely abundances of wild garlic. Please do check out my video. I have got a video for Vale Royal Woods checking out the identification of wild garlic. Do try and avoid picking the wild garlic near these paths, just avoid that, and just go down to the banks, just these little spots here where you can just pick some where it's just out of the way. If you pick them now, you can pick the buds before they flower. Do check out my video. I've done a video for a pickled bud recipe. You can actually use the flowers and you can actually put them decoratively on dishes as well. Salads, absolutely, the little white heads. You can actually see them now. They're actually starting to flower. As you can see here, absolutely beautiful. So you can see the buds and then the flowers there. So you can almost pick these buds, like so, and you can actually have those, and if you just peel that back, you'll see inside you've got the white flowers. And here we are at Marshall Arms. It's a lovely day, mid-April, and we're just going to have a nice walk through Marshall Arms Woods in Northwich. So here we are in Vale Royal Woods. Jenna with her sister, Katie. Hello girls.
Hello.
And you can see here, we're in mid-April and the bluebells have come out, and you can see the wild garlic here. It's absolutely everywhere in abundances, and you can absolutely smell it. Yes, there are other plants that look like it, but please do check my video out for understanding the identification of these. And here we have Happy Hungry Hibby. Hello, Harvey. Ah, the new addition to our family. Doxy Poo. Mum is a dachshund. Daddy is a miniature poodle. He's been a good boy. See there, sticky bud. You can actually pick this really fresh and actually infuse this into water, really high in vitamin C. So I've got my bag of wild garlic. You can actually pick the whole plant. Try not to uproot the, try not to pull up the roots, but you can pretty much pull the leaf from the bottom. Quite distinguishable. You can even eat the stalk. What's really distinguishable about the wild garlic is actually to identify it is the stalk, which you can actually see here is actually triangular. So a really good way just to identify it. Just be careful. There is a poisonous plant called the lily of the valley. Now these do grow in individual stems, okay, so what I advise is to pick them by leaf individually rather than going and clustering up the wild garlic. Pick individually. Also, as you were entering May, you will actually find that the buds will start to flower, so you can pick these in March, April time, and eventually they'll start to flower, and you can just see this here starting to flower here. Now you can actually pick all these. I've done a recipe, please do check that out. But actually these are really good because before they come into full fruitation, you can actually peel this back and actually use these for salads, and they're absolutely amazing, really decorative, but also really flavoursome as well. Absolutely amazing. And then here you can actually see they've come into flower, and you can see this all across the valley, and it's absolutely amazing. And you can actually smell the wild garlic everywhere. It's absolutely incredible. So I'm going to take this back to the test kitchen. I'm going to do some recipes, and I've also picked some for Jenna's colleague Roy. So do recommend for you to just rinse this with water before whatever you do. Just be precautionary of any kind of wildlife that has been out, just to be safe. And here we are, just coming down. We're in Marshall Arms Woods. We've just done a nice little forage, some wild garlic. I'm just coming down to the bank. Another really popular plant to pick is also this here, which is Jack by the hedge, aka garlic mustard. You can really tell this because you can see these type of leaves. You can see, and it's really quite thin. I wouldn't really encourage you to pick this by the roadsides, but it's a bit bitter, so you know it does make a nice contrast with wild garlic and nettles for soup. If you add just a small amount, really good. Also you can tell by these flowers as well, and you can see here that it's Jack by the hedge. You do have to be careful picking this in terms of how long it lasts. It wilts quite easily, even in your hands. You can just feel it sort of, you know, and you'll get home and it'll all be shriveled up. Now what you can do is you can actually dehydrate these, and you can actually add them as you want. So here is the Blue Bridge near Northwich. Down here you've got towards Marshall Arms, you've got the River Weaver, and on the other side you can see people parking here. This is towards Vale Royal Woods, and also Vale Royal Locks, which is towards Winsford. So, really hope you've enjoyed this video. Please do check out my foraging videos and also recipes, which you can see from lots of wild garlic recipes, also other things I've done. So if you did like this video, please do comment below. It'd be really interesting to see what you're doing with your wild garlic and innovative recipes. Please also turn on your notifications, bing, every fortnight on Tuesdays at 4:30. Also, please do subscribe. Lots of love and passion going into this video. Take care, everyone, and really hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. Bye bye.